equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your ACER N20C5 laptop. This is a common issue that can affect the functionality of your device, and with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Plastic spudger. 3. Tweezers. 4. Soldering iron, if necessary. 5. Multimeter, for testing. Step 1. Preparation ***. Before we begin, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove any external devices and place your laptop on a clean, flat surface. It's also a good idea to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Step 2. Opening the laptop ***. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Step 3. Locating the charging port ***. Once the back panel is off, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the power input area. Take a moment to inspect the port for any visible damage or debris. If you see any dust or dirt, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. Step 4. Disconnecting the charging port ***. Carefully disconnect the charging port from the motherboard. This may involve unscrewing it or gently pulling it out, depending on the model. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws or clips that may still be holding it in place. Step 5. Installing the new charging port ***. Take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. If you need to solder it in place, ensure you have a steady hand and follow proper soldering techniques. If you're unsure about soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Step 6. Reassembly ***. Once the new charging port is securely in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Step 7. Testing the new port ***. Before you power on your laptop, it's a good idea to test the new charging port with a multimeter to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device checked without any hassle. Step 8. Powering on ***. Now, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check if the charging indicator lights up and if the laptop charges properly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging port on your ACER N20C5. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing your device is in good hands. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope it has been helpful in getting your laptop back to working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.